The amount of computation necessary for AI is skyrocketing. The demand for Nvidia GPUs is skyrocketing. It's skyrocketing because models are increasing by a factor of 10, an order of a magnitude every single year. And not to mention, as I mentioned, O1's introduction was an inflection point for AI. Instead of a one-shot answer, inference is now a thinking process. And in order to teach the AI how to think, reinforcement learning and very significant computation was introduced into post-training. It's no longer supervised fine-tuning, or otherwise known as imitation learning or supervision training. You now have reinforcement learning, essentially the computer trying different iterations itself, learning how to perform a task. The amount of computation for pre-training, for post-training, for test time scaling has exploded as a result of that. And now, every single inference that we do, instead of just one shot, the number of tokens, you could just see the AIs think, which we appreciate. The longer it thinks, oftentimes it produces a better answer. And so test time scaling causes the number of tokens to be generated increase by 5x every single year. Not to mention, meanwhile, the race is on for AI. Everybody's trying to get to the next level. Everybody's trying to get to the next frontier. And every time they get to the next frontier, the last generation AI tokens, the cost starts to decline, about a factor of 10x every year. The 10x decline every year is actually telling you something different. It's saying that the race is so intense. Everybody's trying to get to the next level, and somebody is getting to the next level. And so therefore, all of it is a computing problem. The faster you compute, the sooner you can get to the next level of the next frontier. All of these things are simultaneously happening at the same time. And so we decided that we have to advance the state-of-the-art of computation every single year, not 1 year left behind. And now we've been shipping GB200s a year and a half ago. Right now we're in full-scale manufacturing of GB300. And if Vera Rubin is going to be in time for this year, it must be in production by now. And so today I can tell you that Vera Rubin is in full production.